Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. Before we go into the news in detail, here's a gist of the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announces ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees for each deceased person's kin and 50,000 rupees for injured. President Murmu, Vice President Dhankar and PM Modi extend greetings on Eid-ul-Adha. Government denies rumours of Agnipath scheme relaunched as Sainik Samman scheme. Incessant rainfall submerges low-lying areas in South Garo Hills, disrupting road connectivity. And Nongstoin Social Service Society organizes awareness program on Biodiversity Fair cum Plant Genetic Resource. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed grief over the tragic train accident in West Bengal. He said rescue operations are underway to assist the affected, and the Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw is on the way to the site of the mishap. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced an ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees from the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. The amount would be given to the next of kin of each deceased in the railway mishap in West Bengal. The injured would be given 50,000 rupees. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have wished the people of India on the auspicious occasion of Eid. President Murmu said in a social media post that Eid-ul-Adha is a festival of sacrifice and renunciation that gives people the message of sharing their happiness with everyone, especially with the needy people. She urged people to take a pledge to work together for the benefit of all countrymen, especially the people of the underprivileged sections on this occasion. The government has termed a WhatsApp message which claims that the Agnipath scheme has been relaunched as the Sainik Samman scheme as fake. The message doing rounds claims that the scheme has been relaunched with several changes, including the duty period being extended to 7 years, 60% permanent staff and increased income. The Press Information Bureau has clarified that no such decision has been taken by the centre. Due to incessant rainfall for the past few days, the State Disaster Management has informed that the water level of rivers like Simsang and Rongdik, South Garo Hills district has increased, which has affected the nearby villages. The Darang Boldak road was also washed away due to the flash floods. The incessant rainfall has also triggered landslides in the district, in which around 5 houses were partially damaged in Era Aning village. Meanwhile, Deputy Commissioner of South Garo Hills, Shivansh Avasthi, informed that the movement of vehicles along National Highway 62 affected temporarily due to overflowing streams, debris of landslides, whereas some locations have already been cleared by PWD roads. Link road to Karukol and adjacent villages submerged due to increase in water level of Simsang, Avasthi said.
Just to take precaution measure because there is a heavy flood is coming in, especially the southern part of the state, like the Siju, Rewa, and the South Korean people. I'd like to inform. Just be prepared and be careful.
The Nongstoin Social Service Society organized the awareness program on Biodiversity Fair cum Plant Genetic Resource PGR Awareness Program under the Northeast Hills scheme sponsored by ICAR NBPGR Regional Station Shillong. More than 200 farmers of Eastern West Khasi Hills District and others district participated in this awareness program, and the ICAR NBPGR department also distributed some farming materials like sprayers, caps, bags, etc. to the farmers.
Ministries of the Government of India are having a special funds for this. And being NBTGR, being the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, our major emphasis is to benefit the farmers, direct benefit to the farmers somehow, and also listen to their problems, reach to them, to show them that we are with them, and whatever help is required from the scientists, from the ICR, from the Government of India, we are always with them.
These are the varieties which we require for breeding new varieties like Ranjit. These varieties.
Village leaders and villagers of 4 villages of Nongpo constituency comprising of Pahambir Lom, Pahambir Them, Maujong and Pahamsken village today convened a special meeting at Dorbar Hall, Pahambir, with the MLA of Nongpo constituency, Miral Born's aim to appraise over an acute shortage of drinking water faced by the villagers. MLA Miral Born's aim assured to take up the matter seriously with the PHE department to resolve the water crisis faced by the local villagers.
Lala penio itu skill kelayan, kam kelayan buat ada gijing dunang nentai ru gijing penwit dan rei nyisongo ba kam kelayan cek nenta. Upay ba abalay siya ba marmat job yo kan pensengap kia gini ki kenang ba ki bro gijing tre marba de mo pi go penjob kana. Jadi kameram tu nai bentre mur nga ban ong ba sispa la lut benle kam dir nenta. Ka ya tu kata. Dan reikan pala ngin persan.
The incessant rainfall for the past few days has led to flash flood and landslide in areas falling under Mauthat Raishan CNRD block, in which one house of IT Lindsay Lingdo Penlang from Markasa village was partially damaged yesterday morning, whereas no casualty was reported. Following the incident, the Sordar Shnong, along with the village elders, inspected the house and also informed the BDO of Mauthat Raishan block. The incessant rainfall has also triggered landslides in Umlipoy Road, a link road to Nongkasen Maukaton, and with the intervention of the HYC Lailingdo Circle and Maukaton unit, debris of landslide have been cleared by PWD. The Vivekananda Sangha has felicitated the students who fared well in the HSSLC and SSLC exams 2024. The members of Vivekananda Sangha organized the program yearly to encourage the students to perform well. They also provide financial aid to the students who come from an underprivileged section of the society. Sneha Deb, who ranked 9th position in the HSSLC exams, was among the 10 students who were felicitated. The felicitation program was held in the presence of Dr. Amanwar, Keith Pariat, member of Earl Holiday Home, and the headman of Oakland and Jail Road. Dr. Amanwar felicitated the students and, addressing the gathering, said that hard work and dedication are the only means to achieve success.
Now, so that you come out successful, you bring laurels to your parents who have brought you up, your family, you bring laurels to the locality, to the senior citizens of the locality who have taken pains to recognize your achievements.
Srimanta Shankar Dev Cultural Centre, Bishnupur, Shillong, organized a 12-hour-long Bhagavat Katha and Kirtan called Pal Nam. Cultural Centre Secretary Harendra Talukdar said that Bhagavat Katha has been going on for 75 years since the establishment of the Cultural Centre. Large number of devotees attended and listened to the Bhagavat Katha and also participated in the Kirtan. Apart from the devotees of Shillong, large numbers of devotees from Barpeta, Assam also attended the Bhagavat Katha this year.
We, from 12 hours non-stop continuous Kirtan program, we recite the Bhagavat. This is continued till in the evening of 9 p.m. So in this occasion, the people continuous pray mass program. That is our main the activities of this program.
A tragic incident occurred in Nongpo, where a 40-year-old man, Suku Mejar, from Downgate Ribhoi district, was found dead in a building in Nongpo. According to reports, Mejar was a laborer and father of 4 children. The incident was reported to the police by the public at 10 a.m. this morning. The police have taken the body to Civil Hospital Nongpo for further formalities. And now the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded today was at 22 degrees Celsius, while minimum temperature was recorded at 18.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 100%, which decreased to 97% in the evening. Rainfall recorded today was 2.9 millimeters. Forecast: moderate rain and thundershower is likely to occur at most places. Before winding up this news bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announces ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees for each deceased person's kin and 50,000 rupees for injured. President Murmu, Vice President Dhankar and PM Modi extend greetings on Eid-ul-Adha. Government denies rumors of Agnipath scheme, relaunched as Sainik Samman scheme. Incessant rainfall submerges low-lying areas in South Garo Hills, disrupting road connectivity. And Nongstoin Social Service Society organizes awareness program on biodiversity fair cum plant genetic resource. And dear viewers, that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Do tune in again with us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Good night.